Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca, your piano teacher. If you want to find out more about me, I'm leaving the link of the introduction video of this channel in the description of this video. Now let's go to our lesson today. Today I want to play The Lonely Road is the B3 piece from the Piano Exam Pieces ABRSM Grade 1 for the 2019 and 2020. Now, I will first of all play at its official speed. Let's check always, 108. Oh, I have to definitely change the setting. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And voila, it's enough. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Et voila! This was The Lonely Road from Felix Swinstead, the B3 piece, played at his official speed, andante at 108. Now I'm trying to play again slowly, a bit slower than now obviously. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Stop. If there is any question, feel free to ask me, to comment. I hope you will enjoy my video, you will find useful. For me it's enough today. Thank you very much for watching. See you, bye.